Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's look, I am going to be doing a Natasha Denona inspired look. I'll try my best to put the link to the original video in my description box. I actually got the video from her TikTok page and I fell in love with it and decided to recreate it for you guys. It's a very simple look and I am so happy with the way the look turned out at the end. So right now I'm just going to do my color correcting, the basic things that I normally do in my previous videos. Okay, the color correcting, my foundation and concealer and everything. I'm going to put down the products that I used in the description box. Nothing has changed. It's just same old makeup products, just with little variations, but it's just basically the same thing. So enjoy, guys. So to kickstart my eyeshadow look, first things first, I decided to use my e.l.f. Camo Liquid Contour Cream as my transition shade. So I used my pencil brush to apply it all over my crease area. Then I went in for my Sigma Cor de Rosa palette. It's been a while since I used this palette. So the eyeshadow is called Barefoot, which is a rich dark chocolate brown color. So I'm going to be using it to blend out the cream contour that I applied earlier on my crease area. Next, I'm also taking another lighter brown shade from the Zulu palette and also applying it just slightly above where I have the cream contour and the dark chocolate eyeshadow. Moving on from the chocolate palette from Juvias Place, I'm going to be taking a deep chocolate color which is similar to Barefoot from Sigma called the Rosa palette. I'll also be applying it to my crease area just to darken it. Moving on, I'm going to be taking Sun Sprite from the Call the Rosa palette and applying it towards the outer corner of my eyes. Then towards the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be applying Belle of the Ball from the same Call the Rosa palette. And I'm just going to blend both Belle of the Ball and Sun Sprite and just create a seamless look. Then I'm going to be going in for my concealers, and as usual, I am going to be applying my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, Dark 46 and Dark 40 respectively. Then to bake my face, I'm going to be using my Juvias Place Silky Finishing Setting Powder, and this is Shortbread. So I love a very light under eye. So I know some of you might feel like I apply too much setting powder, but then I just love a very bright under eye. Moving on to my lips, I used my Nubian Nude, which is from the Nubian Earth Reflective Gloss. I've used this lip gloss before. So I am going to, like I said, I'm going to list all the products that I used in the description box. Then on top of that, I applied Dusty Rose, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Matte Lipstick. I didn't want to apply only the Nubian Nude alone. I felt like I just needed to switch things up, so I decided to kind of combine like a pink liquid lipstick and a kind of nude lip gloss to just give it a different shade, if I should put it that way. Then I went ahead and applied another coating of the Nubian Nude lip gloss from Juvias Place, and guys, we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please let me know the kind of looks you want me to do in the comment section. If you can recreate this look, I'll greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.